Jill Duggar has shared her first photo inside her new Arkansas home after her brother Josh's prison sentencing for child pornography charges. Jill, 30, posts how she is trying to keep to herself busy alongside the Instagram photo. The Counting on Alum took a close-up shot of one of my favorite mugs. She made a warm cup of vanilla tea with honey and cream. The former reality star has been settling into her new place by unpacking, paperwork, repairs. Jill mentioned she was trying to distract herself while still going through the waves of processing to do. The ex-TLC star stood in front of 3 large boxes that needed to be cut open and unpacked. Jill and her husband Derek Dillard, 32, share their 2 sons, Israel, 6, and Samuel, 4. In February, the couple shared an emotional message about their little secret and announced they were expecting a 3rd child. Recently, Jill shared the inside of her new $385,000 Arkansas home. Jill displayed the kitchen, the repainted cabinets, and the 2 remodeled bedrooms. After the remodel, both rooms were repainted with a more subtle Sherwin-Williams white duck. Jill captioned the post, "We are so excited to show y'all a sneak peek of our new house. We knew we wanted to make a few changes to the new place to update it plus add some personal touches, so we scouted around and found someone to help us." She concluded, "We are so happy with how everything turned out. We are thinking of adding a backsplash to the kitchen in the near future, so feel free to drop your suggestions below." Josh's sentencing. Recently, Arkansas Judge Timothy L. Brooks sentenced eldest Duggar child Josh, 34, to more than 12 years in prison on child pornography charges. According to the Sun's court reporter, the judge called Josh's crimes the sickest of the sick to a packed courtroom. He told Josh, "You have done some very bad things. But in your life as a whole, you've done good things. The true test of a man's character is what a man does when no one is watching." The Sun exclusively obtained photos and video of Josh's wife, Anna, as she fled the courtroom. Anna had a sullen look on her face after hearing the news about the father of her 7 children staying behind bars. In a scathing blog post, Jill and Derek commented on the sentencing, "It is unfortunate, but it seems that it may take spending over a decade in federal prison, and still more on probation, for Josh to have any potential for rehabilitation to the point he can safely live in society again. Hopefully, Josh can actually begin to get treatment and begin to work toward a lifestyle where he is less likely to re-offend."